With this session, we are going to discuss about ionization energy. What is ionization energy? The energy which required to remove an electron from an atom. While any element take a part in reaction, some elements allow to lose electron and some elements allow to gain electron. The energy which require to lose electron from their outermost cell, that energy is nothing but its ionization energy. This energy is expressed with positive sign. Why? Because such kind of reaction in which ionization energy require to lose electron, this type of reaction is considered as endothermic reaction, means energy requiring process to run that process. For example, here sodium, which is metal in nature. When sodium allowed to lose one electron from their outermost cell and get converted into sodium ion, itself cation, then to lose electron it require energy, and this energy nothing but ionization energy. So here sodium gets some ionization energy, that value is 495.8 kilojoule per mole. Because you are adding some amount of energy, that's why this energy represented by positive sign, and it's added at reactant site, so that is why this reaction is considered as endothermic reaction, because you are giving some energy. Now sodium getting some ionization energy and allowed to lose one electron from the outermost cell, and now sodium get converted into sodium ion, a cation. So that is why this ionization energy is represented by positive sign. Mostly this ionization energy get work for metals, because metals always allow to lose electron from their outermost orbital and get positive charge. And ionization energy get work there to lose the electron from the outermost orbital and make them positive ion. Here if we discuss about periodic table, how that value of ionization energy get changed. If we move left to right across a period, the value of ionization energy get increased. And why it's get increased? Because as we move left to right across a period, non-metallic character, or we can say electronegative nature of element becomes strong, because in the outermost orbital number of electron become increase, and the attraction between nucleus and outermost cell electron become more strong. Due to that, they require more amount of ionization energy to lose electron from their outermost orbital. That is why while we move left to right across a period, the value of ionization energy for such element it become increased. Now if we go from top to bottom within a group, the value of ionization energy get decreased. And why it's happened? Because in periodic table, if we move top to bottom in a group, metallic character, or we can say electropositive nature of element, it becomes strong. And why it's happened? Because while we move top to bottom in a group, number of cell get increased. So the distance from nucleus to the outermost electron it become increased, and elements are easily able to lose electron from their outermost orbital with requirement of less amount of energy. So as per we'll move top to bottom, number of cell get increased, so requirement of ionization energy is also get decreased. That is why while we move left to right across a period, value of ionization energy get increased, and while we move top to bottom within a group, value of ionization energy get decreased. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session.